Today's recipe is donut bites, also known as donut holes. These bite-sized treats are perfect for children's parties, so if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more delicious content like this. First, combine 3 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. A sticky dough should be formed. Cover and leave the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. To make the cinnamon sugar, we added 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Take a small portion of dough and form into a ball. This recipe yields approximately 40 donut bites. Preheat your oil and fry on a low heat until golden brown in color and until it's cooked inside. We fried ours darker brown in color, but you can fry to the color that you desire. While they are still warm, roll the donut bites into the cinnamon sugar mixture. This step can be left out if you'd like. My kids and I enjoyed making this recipe for you today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.